I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel AK Gardening Passion. So friends, today's video is on succulents. Friends, if not yet subscribed, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Friends, this plant looks very beautiful without much care. Friends, succulents are the plants which have thick leaves, and many of the succulents are soft, they are not hard. The leaves of the succulents are thick, fleshy, which stores water in it. So friends, it is called as a desert plant as it stores water in it and not much requires watering frequency. Friends, this plant is easy to grow, but you have to follow certain things so that the plant will remain alive. Friends, there are many of the varieties of this plant. There are color changes in some of the succulent varieties. So friends, due to its color, it looks very beautiful, as this is summer plant and now it is summer season. It is looking beautiful with many shades of green, yellow, orange and red. Friends, these are low maintenance plants and best for beginner gardeners. Friends, just see, this is new growth of the people plant in my container. Just I have to remove and plant it in another container. And succulents are available in many varieties depending upon the size, shape, pattern and color of the leaf. And also they are available in plant variety or a creeper variety which you can grow in hanging baskets or pots. Friends, I have nearly 8 to 10 varieties of succulent plants in my garden, but out of it 2 I am showing in this video. Friends, I have potted this plant through cuttings nearly 3 to 4 years back in pot and kept this plant in my terrace garden. Friends, as the colors, shape of leaves is attractive, it is eye-catching, as well as the leaves look plasticky and shiny as if artificial. So friends, let's see how to grow and what all things are required to grow succulents and care the succulents. Friends, let's know how to prepare potting mix or a soil for this plant. As these plants are grown in containers, so the soil should be well draining and the succulents hate overwatering, and due to overwatering they die. So potting mix should be made in such a way that there is easy water drainage. For preparing the potting mix, you can use 40% of river sand or a very small grit, or we can call it as a stone crush, which should be like a sand. When sand is not available, friends, you can use this small grit. Then 30% of coco peat, 20% of old vermicompost or old cow dung manure, and 5% of, you can add coal or a tree bark, or if not available you can also use the bricks crush, and 5% of neem cake powder. So friends, mix all these contents and fill up the containers, but you have to check the containers priorly that it should have adequate drainage holes. Friends, this potting mix is best for the succulent plants for growing. So friends, talking about the propagation of succulents, it is very easy to propagate the succulents. Succulents can be grown through cuttings, leaves or from soil division, and some varieties are grown from the seeds. The easy way of propagation is through cuttings of stem. Friends, you can just drop some mature leaves of succulents on the potting mix, but don't cover them and keep this tray or pot in the partial sunlight and water them after 2 days. This method of propagation is from leaves. It takes nearly 4 to 5 weeks for the root formation. As these succulents are propagated in containers or pots, so choosing the size, shape and color of pot or container should be done priorly. So friends, preferable propagation method or way you can use is cuttings. Cuttings is best way of propagating these succulents. Friends, see this plant. I have cultivated it from this single cutting. You can also cultivate it from a leaf like it, which I am showing in this video. And friends, just see the leaf. Another variety, see the borders, and it is producing the baby plants, and it will turn to more red in color in next coming days. After cultivation and growth, you can just prune the plant and cultivate it in same pot to bring up the dense growth, as I have done for this plant. So friends, let's see the watering frequency for succulents. Friends, first of all, I have already told you in the introduction of the plant that succulents are desert plants. They hate water. So water is not required much for this plant. Many of the people ask that why our succulents die. So friends, answer for it is due to overwatering. If you do all things well, like using proper soil mix, using right method of propagation, but if you water them more, then your succulent will definitely die. So to prevent it, you can water them thrice a month in the winters and 5 to 6 times in summers, but you should water them thoroughly at the watering time or at that time. So friends, talking about the fertilizer requirement for the succulent plants. Friends, there is no much need of fertilizers for succulents, as we have already used vermicompost or cow dung manure, old cow dung manure in the potting mix. But you can add the fertilizers after 6 months of propagation. You can only spray NPK or add liquid manure or the cow dung manure. It will be enough for it. So friends, let's see the light requirement for succulents. Friends, succulents love the sun. It can tolerate full sun and should be kept in full sun. It requires at least 3 to 4 hours of full sun. I have placed my succulent plants in full sun and see how they are growing well. If you keep these plants in shade, then the plant will become soggy. Friends, in summers the plant produces some of the new shoots. So friends, some tips to grow succulents. Tip 1. Use proper well draining potting mix as informed in the video priorly. Tip 2. Check the drainage system of the plant. Tip 3. Preferably propagate it with stem cuttings or root division, and you can do it in any of the seasons. Tip 4. Keep the pot at least 3 to 4 hours in full sunlight. Tip 5. Don't water them daily. Instead of it, you can water them weekly or twice in a month in a winter season. So friends, talking about the pruning of the plant, only some varieties like devil's backbone require pruning, and pruning is required when you want to maintain the plant if plant is dense. Then talking about maintenance, there is no much leaf fall, and as it is a low maintenance plant, Only the thing is you have to remove the dry leaves or fallen leaves from the pot. Then talking about pests, the plant only suffer with fungal diseases and root rot. To control it, you can cut off the affected leaves or a part of the plant, and if you see any of the diseases, spray diluted neem oil. It's enough for it. So friends, many of you have one of the succulent variety in your garden, that is aloe vera plant. And friends, add many more varieties of succulents. Some varieties of succulent are best for hanging pots. Some of them are best for tray gardens. These are easy to grow plants and don't require much care, maintenance and attention. Keep some of them varieties like indoor succulents, which are planted in a tiny and attractive pots on your dining tables, study table and windows where there is availability of bright sunlight. So friends, how was the video? Do comment in the comment box and subscribe the channel, as it is free to subscribe the channel. So friends, this was about succulents. Keep watching the videos, like the videos and share the videos. Thank you.